Welcome to HPM Tech PEC Training Programming 2022 Pakistan Engineer Council. Invest now and the future in the work after this. Bachelor Confident Exchange Programming fully funded scholarship guideline. International internship jobs materials and online course. PhD Master Mechanic Engineer study MFs and camps, learn how to manage complex systems and quota, the challenge of smart management application in the Open Apply PSC Training and Program 2022 Pakistan Engineer Council in the recent around it. It is PSC Technical Engineer Programming and National of the Pakistan program has been accorded the fresh code and the all engineer seeking and opening include apply and the training engineer program 2022 Pakistan Engineering Council and the his takes intervention in the quota standards and the engineer education profession packed and coded by Golpa and professional input and regulation from Pakistan Engineer Council accorded and the training engineering program amidst engine fresh engineering defense and second the programming provide an opening from the work knowledge skill attention and professional complete in the latest technology. Student B is not availed in the internship and opening the government service sector in the his of any training programming can and submit the application from the PSC training all male female candidate academic and the apply for Pakistan Engineer Council Training Program 2022 for more details and about programming checking detail and before apply to an admission also affect multiple person if you interest in the apply. Yes, and John attention 2022 and ultimate careers tab of contact detail in about when and training program 2022 programming deletion eligible career and programming details and PSC training and programming 2022 country Pakistan organization Pakistan Engineer Councils posting about 20 field and monthly spend 13,000 PKR. Also check something internship 2022 upper internship 2022 and programming donation the engineering and apply the eligible to the apply for PSC training engineering program you are friend and follower eligible career and fill out and all application from wealth information material and the quota 5% disabled quota 2% candidates from all over Pakistan can apply. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Candidates who in graduation within last 2 years and can apply. Candidates have in source maximum 2.5 CGP and application must graduation degrees and PhD academic internship program must and regulation by product documents and display documents location areas interest and along CV and suggested data from location display domicile and areas internship by employees accorded application for internship employees per and need requirement salary technology and his industry making for employees will ensuring latest candidate PS from notification 5 after approved and latest short and candidates notification after and 6 months induction employer submit a feedback reported and please inform 7 after successful complete experience and certificate book issues particulars also check Telenor internship support programming and how to apply PSC and engineering training program interest and candidate have and submit online application after link before review click here applied once and before official will and see Pakistan engineer concert training programming once and read hard your say inside on application from later site check your details information about program and the mud and something internship program something internship career apply now application is opening something internship 2022 in the company officer international student multiple internship opening candidate seek and the internship programming or you apply something internship in officer and product manager software something officer and product software management department and the engineer network and constructed faction and the wide range in field available for internship programming something well and the defense officer something local located and hardware student below and the from foreign countries and are your eligible application fee and costed and a male female candidate to apply these in latest opening something and designation training equals and the from futures and will are your graduation and latest skill and drives and working car task the companies that you are change work and dedicate company on the internet something similar internship in the and official and fraud data recorded and the internship taking from information they upload your Telenor and the also official in the programming internship Telenor internship you can apply Telenor supply and the programming details about Samsung internship 2022 how company Samsung internship available multi calls program type internship education requirement many under education and trade also multiple also check Angro summer internship 2022 internship benefits during something and intermediate students will unfollow candidate explore and leading department professional and work from improvement project a great initial CVs tricks in the also social and great regulation and items which are hold and PT relax and the holidays flex for your Friday weekend and the earliest Friday afternoon something get gadgets get interact with your latest Samsung technology will your activist financial class your will and the interest also check Honda internship apply online how to apply the application and Samsung internship needed submit office and check official links in give before Apply the something similar in the step. Visit in the official link moment and before failure and official links will in this. Step 2. Now have you select the regulation multiple left hand side. After selected regulation you can see an opinion available in your country. Step 3. After you show your display in the post you can see check it out in the detail post inflate and can apply. Visit official links before in the interaction something internship program. So in the about something internship hope guys and the get all in a point recording internship program you are needed apply pack and like enter your email address and subscribe blog and receive notification new post email pixel confidential and the WhatsApp urgent job and vacation and apply as Australia in the USA jobs PhD master and the degrees and the effort urgent apply Australian and sponsors like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.